Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how glutamine works in the body. Pause and take notes as we break down digestion, transport, cellular uptake, and practical implications step by step. I will describe where glutamine comes from in food, how the intestine and liver process it, and how tissues like muscle and immune cells use it for energy, repair, and nitrogen balance in a clear, friendly way you can follow easily. Glutamine from food is released during protein digestion and largely absorbed by gut cells, which prefer it as fuel. The intestine converts glutamine into energy and other metabolites while passing excess to the liver. The liver then balances nitrogen, makes glucose if required, and reshapes amino acids for body use. This coordinated absorption and processing determines how much glutamine reaches muscles and immune tissues for their metabolic needs and recovery. If you are enjoying this breakdown, please hit subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during workouts and study sessions, and it fits cup holders nicely. I like its leak-proof design and wide mouth for easy cleaning, which pairs well with maintaining energy while learning about nutrition. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Inside cells, glutamine serves many roles beyond being a fuel. It donates nitrogen for making nucleotides, supports antioxidant production, and helps synthesize other amino sugars. Immune cells consume glutamine rapidly when activated, and muscle tissue both produces and uses glutamine to support recovery and nitrogen transport. These actions make glutamine central to repair, growth, and immune defense, especially under stress or increased metabolic demand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.